In our worldview today, China has ordered 13 million residents to lock down in an effort to curb COVID-19 cases in the Northwest. The closure in Xi'an marks one of the toughest restrictions imposed in the country since the virus first emerged in Wuhan, and it comes after the city reported 63 new infections on Thursday. All non-essential travel outside of Xi'an has been banned indefinitely, with residents ordered to stay at home. China has maintained a strict zero-tolerance policy throughout the pandemic, but that is expected to shift as the country prepares to host the Winter Olympics in Beijing. Officials now admit small clusters of infections are likely to occur during the games, with athletes flying in from overseas. A total of 206 cases have been reported in Xi'an since early December. Elsewhere in Asia, South Korea set a new record for COVID-19 deaths Thursday. 109 people died, passing the total number of deaths to more than 5,000 in the pandemic. While a majority of new infections stem from the Delta variant, health officials now warn Omicron is on track to become the dominant strain. The warnings come days after South Korea reimposed tough social distancing rules, including a 4-person cap on private gatherings. Restaurants and cafes have now been ordered to close at 9 p.m. And over in the UK, daily COVID case counts reached another high, with more than 106,000 infections reported. That number marks a 35% increase in 1 week, but it points to a slowdown in the growth rate compared to early December. In London, daily hospitalizations have reached the highest level since February, with more than 300 people admitted. That marks a 45% jump from the same time last week. And Hong Kong University has removed a monument commemorating the Tiananmen Square massacre, the latest move to erase any mention of the pro-democracy protests. The statue, known as the Pillar of Shame, was first erected in 1997, but the university requested its removal following a crackdown of other June 4th monuments. The annual vigil at Victoria Park has been banned for 2 years now, while police raided the June 4th museum earlier this year and shut down its online operations. All of this comes as China increases its grip on the city through a national security law that gives Beijing sweeping powers to crack down on dissent and freedom of speech. The sculpture will remain in storage for now.